I'm Kristen from Elevate Homes, and I'll be hosting a tour of the stylish Tilt 150 before it leaves for Langs Beach. This was a joint project between two couples who've holidayed together for years and had a shared vision of a contemporary beach batch that they could holiday in and also work remotely from when required. The house is based on our Elevate 150 model home. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2 living areas, but it has been modified in this instance to include an extra toilet and an office nook. So come on in and we'll go and check it out. Okay, so we're in the main living area here. It's a lovely open plan space and it's made to feel even more light and airy with these stacker doors on either side of the room. So the oversized doors on this wall are our standard feature and they open up completely across the face of the building to allow an amazing indoor-outdoor flow. On the opposite side of the room, we have an upgrade of the sliding door from the extra long sliding window that would normally be on this wall. It is an extra, but it's a really great option if you've got outdoor living areas on both sides of your home. Okay, onto the back wall here. It's a very impressive entertainment unit. It follows our standard layout until you get to that very elegant cocktail bar at the end there. But starting at this end, we have a large floor-to-ceiling or floor-to-bulkhead cupboard here. We have the contrasting open shelving. Then we have a really big space there for your TV and 4 cupboards above and below. And then we have another large cupboard here. And then we get to this beautifully bespoke bar area, which replaces another one of these large cupboards. But the bar itself has open shelving in front of this gorgeous glossy blue-green subway tile. Then we have the bench with the under cupboard and an inbuilt wine rack. So it's a really fun and practical use of space there. Right, the last feature I wanted to point out was this angled, high-pitched ceiling in this room. That is an optional extra, but it really does help to open up the space and give a really great sense of spaciousness. So that's this main area. We'll go now and check out the kitchen. Okay, I'm in the kitchen here, and as you can see, it has the same colour scheme as the entertainment wall, which really helps to visually connect both sides of the room. Now, the black and timber cabinetry behind me here really sort of gives a luxurious vibe to the space, while the glossy tiles, this stainless steel bench top, and then the glass pendants above the bench really help to reflect the light and just brighten up the space. So it's a great combo. Now the layout of this kitchen follows our standard plan, except the end here we've rearranged it a little bit. Usually we'd have the scullery door here and the fridge space here, so we've swapped those around in order to fit in an office nook behind this wing wall here, which we'll have a look at a bit later on. But right now we'll go and have a look inside here, which is our scullery. So this is actually a lot smaller than our usual 150 scullery because we've had to add in that office nook there, and we've also added an additional toilet beside the laundry, which we'll go and have a look in a minute. But there's still a lot of space in here. We've got a lot of bench space and open shelving, which is really all you need when you're using the home as, part-time beach living. But we'll head out of here now and come back into the kitchen. So everything else you see in here is pretty much our standard 150 plan. There are a few little variations, which I'll point out. We've got the microwave, which is an extra, as is this double dish drawer. The open shelving is usually cupboards, and then we've also got the stainless steel bench top on the hob side, which is a change from this engineered stone bench top that we've used for the island. And lastly, the waterfall ends are an added extra, as is this beautiful dining table light as well. But everything else in here is our usual high-level spec. Okay, I've made my way to the end of the kitchen here, to the door that hides the laundry. So come on in and have a look. Right, so this laundry is usually a bit larger and is fully dedicated to a laundry. But in this instance, we've altered the plan to include this additional toilet in here, which is always a really handy addition for beach houses, just with guests coming and going and staying all the time. But the laundry itself is a really good size. We've just got this pantry cum storage cupboard at the end here with shelves above, and then a space for vacuum cleaners and brooms at the bottom. We've got space here for a stacked washing machine and dryer, and then open shelving above. Then we've got the sink with cupboards above and below, and then directly in front of me we've got the back door. And to the right of the back door we'll have a future covered deck area, and then to the left we've got an outdoor shower which we've pre-installed, so it's all ready to go. Okay, I'm at the other end of the kitchen now, and conveniently located behind this wing wall is the office nook. So although this isn't in our standard plan, with more people working from home, it's become a really popular addition. You can see why. Right, moving on, behind this soundproof cavity door we have the master bedroom suite. So come on through here. Okay, so this end of the house pretty much follows our standard 150 floor plan. We have the usual window set up with the sliding window on that outside wall, and then we've got the bedside windows at the end, on the end wall there. The ensuite follows the standard layout, but we'll go and check that out a little bit later. And then in here though, we have the walk-in wardrobe, which has actually had a reduction in size so that we could fit in the extra toilet behind that wall there. The other client variations in this area is this very stylish ceiling fan, which we've also, I think we've also included in the other bedrooms down the other end of the home. The other additions are the louver, which has been added to the sliding doors, and then we've got the blinds on all of the windows. The last variation is the carpet. Normally this would be a Tri-Extra carpet, but it's been changed to a sisal wool carpet, which looks lovely. Right, inside here we'll go and have a look in the ensuite. So come on in here. Right, we've got the toilet behind the privacy wall, which is always good. And then we've got this lovely large vanity and the LED surround mirror. And then in the corner there we have the frameless glass shower. So that covers this end of the home. We'll go now to the other end of the house and check out the second living area, the bathroom, the second bedroom, and another office. Okay, so through this door here, beside the entertainment wall, we come into the second living area. So this room is actually about half a metre longer than our normal plan, and the other change in here is that the usual window with louver on that wall there has been upgraded to French doors with louver in order to allow separate access into this area of the home and access out onto a future deck. On the opposite side of the room is the bathroom, so if you'd like to follow me into here, we can have a look. So the reason the second living area is larger than usual is because we've been able to reduce the size of the bathroom. We've done that by changing the position of the shower and actually making it larger, which sounds counterintuitive, but there you have it. So the shower is now 1.6 by 1 metre, so a really good sized shower. And then we have the same towel rail, the same toilet, and we have the same vanity and LED mirror that we saw in the ensuite. So that's that area there. We'll go now and check out the final two rooms of the house. Okay, so leading from the second living room, we come into bedroom 2 in here. Now, because we have two couples sharing the home, we've actually increased the size of this room to be more of a master bedroom size, and we also have a really good size 3-panel floor-to-ceiling inbuilt wardrobe in here as well. So this will be a great bedroom. Right, come on through again into the second living area. We have, actually didn't point that out before, but that's where your TV goes. There's a flush box on the wall there. Right, into bedroom 3, what would normally be bedroom 3 and be a replica of bedroom 2. But in this instance, this room is going to be used primarily as an office so that both sets of couples have their own working spaces. So the room has been decreased in size. We've added PowerPoints, more PowerPoints in the room, and we've also removed the wardrobe. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this tailor-made home with its sophisticated flourishes and practical solutions for shared beach living. And if you're interested in this particular house or any of our other homes, then please get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. In the meantime, thanks for watching and bye for now.